No audio. Oh, I see. I see. Communication. Okay, can you hear me now? Don't worry, we'll be fine. Is it better now? Fixed. Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Linus. Elijah. Follow Rusha says, we can't hear you, sir. Wow, I never knew, and I've been talking for a while. Oh, great, 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 great. Thank you. Thank you. So I think something is wrong with the device I'm with, but I think we're fine right now. Yeah, yeah, I'm not broadcasting from the studio, so it's fine. Sorry about that. I needed to do a settings that would have fixed that. Okay, guys, so you're welcome to part 4 of 5 battles every trader must fight. First, battle 1, we spoke about the battle of strategy. Yeah, battle 2, we spoke about the battle of psychology. Battle 3, we spoke about the battle of community. And battle 4, guess what? Get the drum rolling. Type in some 777 if you want to hear what we're talking about today. It is another amazing battle that people we are sure to overcome. We will overcome it. By the time, excuse me, by the time we are done with this, guarantee you. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. The Forex special one. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm just trying my best. So the battle for is investment battle. Come on, investment battle. That is what we're going to be talking about today. And if you miss battle one, you want to go check out what we spoke about in battle one. If you miss battle two, I tell you, you need to. Come on, guys. Type in investment battle. Let's go. 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 Investment battle. Whoo. Today's going to be deep, guys. I can tell you. It's going to be short and deep. Okay, so what is investment? What is investment? Investment is the action or process of funding money for your profit. So it's a level where you are dedicating assets or money, so asset could be time, into value to be increased. So Mr. Mayowa, what do you mean? It means that I've dedicated a fraction of my time. It could be a fraction of my money. It could be a fraction of my income. It could be a fraction. It is just a dedicated asset that is set aside to attain increase in value. So I want increase in money. You are learning Forex. So to invest in Forex, there is an order you should follow. Everybody type in order. See, when I started, I had no one to teach me this. There's an order you need to follow. Because I wanted money, I was going for money. Guys, in this space, as a living human being, whatever you want to increase in, you must follow this order. Number one, don't go after money. Money is not first. It's called the ant sugar theory. The ant sugar theory. Wherever you put sugar, ant will definitely find his way there. So what it means is that ant is the money, sugar is the investment, the dedicated asset that you are putting in to increase in value. So value, money, we always look for value. People, we always look for value. So if I want to make money in the Forex space, the first thing is to have access to get the information. See, I've seen people, there's a guy on Instagram now that chatted me up some days ago, and I've been very slow to tell him the truth until yesterday because I was a bit busy. He's saying, what will it take him to get started? What can he use to start trading Forex? And I said to myself, this is a wrong order. It is a wrong order. Thank you so much, Dunamis. It is a wrong order. Money will always look for value. What you miss is that you are looking for money. No, you look for value. So how can you have value is by increasing in knowledge. You can't run away. Nobody go. See, the reason why you will come again next week, guarantee, or you will rewatch this video is because Mr. Mayowa Owolabi is valuable. I am Africa's most sought after financial market coach. I will tell you the way it is. You might not like me, the way I will teach you, but I will teach you what you need, not what you want. Because what you want is money. What you need is knowledge. Come on, guys. Put that in. Put that in. I told you I'm going to be stepping on you tonight. I'm going to be changing your mindset. What you want is money, but what you need is knowledge. You are having a wrong prioritization by going for money. So this guy told me, what capital does he need to work on quick so that he can make money? And I said, no. The first question is, how long will it take me? Because there is a time. What will it take me to get the knowledge? It is knowledge. So you need to ask yourself, where is this knowledge? A lot of you, your goal is how to flip $50 to $1 million. You don't need to learn how to flip. You need to know the knowledge of how to multiply the money. That is it. That is why I always tell you, it is not a must for you to trade Forex. Forex, we have 3 vehicles that multiplies. 3 vehicles. Your business multiplies money. Businesses multiply money. Number 2, financial market multiplies money. Number 3, real estate multiplies money. Those are the 3 vehicles that is biblically established for you to have money. Apart from stealing. So when you come and you are picking financial market, even real estate, even business, the foundational truth is that you must go look for the knowledge. I've seen people start businesses without knowledge. I've seen people start Forex without knowledge. I see people start real estate investment without knowledge. So the first thing you must go for is knowledge. What is knowledge? So I'll classify knowledge in 2 ways. Knowledge that you are going for, you can go for basic knowledge. Basic knowledge is your research. Basic knowledge is your research. Everybody type in the 2 classification of knowledge. Basic knowledge is your research. Oh, they said money, there is money. Fantastic. They said that there is what you want is money, but what you need is knowledge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So the basic knowledge is your research. What is Forex? Go on Google. Get it. What is crypto? Basic knowledge. The next level of knowledge is experienced knowledge, and that is gotten from mentorship. Everybody type in experienced knowledge. Experienced knowledge is the second way, is the advanced knowledge that you need. Advanced knowledge. Don't start without basic knowledge, and don't put money in your account to trade without experiential knowledge. Experiential knowledge is gotten from mentorship. Experiential knowledge is gotten from mentorship. See, the reason why experiential knowledge is important is that it shortens your research knowledge. Come on, guys. If you are learning tonight, type in 777. Let's do this in the next 30 seconds. Click to share. Let's increase the number. Click to share. Click on the like button. Let's increase the numbers. Let's increase the numbers of the viewers. Let's go right now. Increase. Click on the like button. We have just few people that like. Come on. Click to like. If you're on YouTube. Yes, click to like. Click to like. Click to like. Click to like. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Click to like and share. Thank you so much, Isaac. Let's do that for the next few seconds. Click to like. Help somebody to be delivered before they go and start looking for what they are not meant to look for. So, what's the... Come on, let's do that. Let's do that. Good. Fantastic. So, two types of knowledge you need before you invest as a trader. You need the basic knowledge, which is gotten from your research. You need the experiential knowledge, which is gotten from mentorship. If you ignore experiential knowledge, you will research for long. You will research. My first 5 years as a Forex trader, I did not like it. I got exposed to Forex in 2009. I stopped trading Forex live account in 2013. My first 4 years, I was putting money, I was learning. It was experiential knowledge. It was basic knowledge, the types of basic knowledge. And I was doing research. So what I do is I go on YouTube. What is the best strategy? Sometimes the video I have watched 3 months ago, somebody will rename it again. The latest strategy, I'll rewatch it again. That's when I've watched it before. Yeah, experiential. Don't worry, guys. Permit the studio. I'm in an hotel tonight. This is not the usual. I'm in an hotel in Ibadan. I came for... Yeah. Are we learning tonight? Come on, guys. Are you learning tonight? Good evening, sir. Watching from Dubai. Thank you so much, my brother. Good to have you. So, because I want to multiply money, I need to go through those two basic. So you don't stop your basic knowledge, which is through research. But if you really want to get your years, your journey shortened, you must go through experiential knowledge. Now, it is not a must. It is not a must for you to go through experiential knowledge. But I can tell you, if you want to succeed in anything, experiential knowledge is the best. Because what it means is that if this person is succeeding, he has been able to grow $10 to $50. I need this knowledge that this person has. So it allows you. You have never made zero match. See, please, the place is very dark. Chris, can you, so that you can do something? Don't worry, permit me. There's no way I can. I didn't bring my gadgets, clusters. Just listening to audio tonight. Somebody is saying the network is very bad. I've told you now. Shay, we should stop tonight. I should do a recording. I'll send to you. Should I stop? Then we'll do recording and I'll send. Or we should continue. Let me see. People say we should carry on, we should manage. Yes. I came to Ibadan some in a conference. So I've changed to another internet. I guess this should be better. This should be better. Just enjoy the audio. Pardon me. I'll be back to my station next week, except if I'm not traveling out of the country. But I think I'm in, so I've changed to another internet. Okay. A lot of people are saying continue. The network is bad, but continue. We will manage it. Carry on. Thank you. Thank you for the love. I changed to another internet. We can continue. Clusters. No, don't stop. Please continue. Okay, so good. So I've changed to another internet. This one should be better. It's all right. Thank you for the love. So what are the two types of knowledge? Tell me if you've been learning typing the two types of knowledge. Basic knowledge and what? Tell me. So what knowledge have you been applying? You are learning Forex. What knowledge have you been applying? Tell me. Tell me. What knowledge have you been applying? Have you been applying the basic knowledge? Or you've been applying the experiential knowledge? So, if you are under experiential knowledge, don't fund with big money. If you are under basic knowledge, where you are using your approach is you are applying your research. It is what you research you will come and use. Don't fund with big money. So the challenge is that a lot of people are using basic knowledge and they are funding with $1,000, $500, $300. Because you are under experiential knowledge, the maximum you should fund is $100. Even if you are so big that you can be losing $100 every week, that you don't mind, don't try it. Why? Because when you are doing experiential knowledge, you are missing out. When you are using basic knowledge, which is more of a research model, you will be missing out. And it will take you time to get there. So imagine you're going to a place in a town that you are not aware of the venue you're going to, and there is no Google map. It will take you time to get there because you will keep asking people. So in your journey, those of you that you are using YouTube, what you are doing is that every time you are asking YouTube, oh, what's the best strategy? That's basic knowledge. You are asking, how can I make money in Forex? 10 ways to make money in Forex. You are asking people continuously. And when you are asking people continuously, you will be missing out because it will take you a longer time. It will take you a longer time to get there. But when you are using experiential knowledge, it is now that you are now putting the address of where you are going on Google Map, and Google Map is taking you there. See, it will require less effort. Everybody type in less effort. It will require less effort. It will require less effort. Everybody type in less effort. It will require less effort. That I can guarantee you. Good. But if you say, oh, Williams is saying, I transitioned from basic to experiential knowledge. Please transit to experiential knowledge. You will talk less. You will follow a map. You will, you will overcome psychology of trading with ease. The person will tell you what you should be doing. That's the benefit of experiential knowledge. That's the benefit of experiential knowledge. Now that we have established the two ways to increase in value, which is knowledge, good. Now let me also come in here to say that once you just pick one. Now, Mr. Mayowa, some of you will say, oh, but experiential knowledge is expensive. Is it not better? Some of you are under basic knowledge. You have blown $5,000. Come on, guys. If you know what I'm talking about, put in some 555 on the chat box there. Some of you are under basic knowledge. You have blown $5,000, $2,000, $1,000. And the experiential knowledge that you need is $1,000. You have already $500. You have already you have lost money well in your research, in your basic knowledge, because you are running away from experiential knowledge. So now, you don't have money for experiential knowledge, continue with research, because money is used to buy speed. Ooh. Money is used to buy speed. That is why the Holy Book says that money is a defense. Money is used to buy speed. That is why when it comes to experiential knowledge, you are buying somebody's experience. Good. So when you get that, you will be good. Now, Mr. Mayowa, I've bought some courses, I didn't see value, and there was no mentorship and all of that. Keep buying. Because they are bad investment, they are good investments. But you cannot, because there is a bad investment, you now stop investing in your knowledge. You now stop. Come on, that's it. Money is used to buy. Money is used to buy speed. You have $200 in your account, and you have $500 in your account. Are you not your mail wallet? Are you not going to join everything together and go and look for a mentor that will shorten your experience? You blow 200 today. After 2 weeks, you fund again. You blow again. You are using your research model. You are using your basic knowledge, and it takes you a lot of time. So I recommend that if you are under the basic knowledge, fund your account small. Don't fund big. I beg you. Samuel said, this one hits me. Money, this one hit me hard. Money is used to buy speed. Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother. I have bought a lot of things that naturally I should not buy, but I buy them because of speed. That's it. I buy them because. But when you don't have it, you will be slow. You'll be slow. You'll be very, very slow. So let's move into the next part Now we have established what is investment. We've established the two ways to get it done and the foundation of what everybody needs as a crypto trader. This is why a lot of people lost money in crypto. They are all using research model, the basic knowledge. They will research what is crypto, types of crypto, all of those things is on YouTube. But for them to follow somebody that have just made $30,000 or $100,000 on in cryptocurrency, they will say, no, I can't buy that course. I don't want that course. Then they will go and use their money to buy shit coins. Then they will say they didn't make money. I was in a meeting on Thursday, and somebody said that he had the amount he invested, as a matter of fact, he borrowed money. He borrowed money to put in cryptocurrency, and he put all the money inside shitcoin because the research he was doing was more of meme coin. He said even the money he borrowed and the money he started with, everything, he didn't make anything. So the same, that's foolishness, guys. That's foolishness. If you don't see anybody to tell you, that's foolishness. In the name that you want to make money, you end up losing money. I can tell you for free, the reason why a lot of people are running away from Forex today is they believe that they will lose money, not knowing that they are meant to get the knowledge. The Holy Book says, my people perish because of lack of knowledge. Okay? So in that knowledge, there is experiential knowledge, there is basic knowledge. Even in business, you don't start any investment without. There's an investment that was going to be costing me some good thousands of dollars. I needed to invest in a new startup company, and my mentor said, no way. And that was it. That one is experiential. It was no way. So it was so catchy for me. I love it, but if my mentor say no way, young guy. See, okay. In my dialect, they say that if you are lying down, if a child is standing up and is looking somewhere, he will not see what the elders are seeing when they lie down or when they sit down. It's experiential, guys. Experiential. Go for experiential. Save up. Go for experiential. I don't want your journey to be like the first 4 years of my own journey. The first 4 years, I was on basic. I was putting my salary that I was making from the bank. Part of it, I was putting it in my account. And each month, as I kept losing money, I was adding. I was funding because I was running through a basic research model and basic knowledge. And it took me 4 good years until when I left the bank, I stopped trading. I was trading demo account. Then I came back in 2017, April. And in 2018, when I came back, not up to 6 months, I identified my experiential knowledge person. He said, Mayowa, this is the way. If you are trading Forex, who are the people that win? I said, the institutions. He said, do they lose money? I said, they really lose money. He said, I should go and learn how they trade. So that is what pushed me into supply and demand. Because my first 4 years, I was trading, all those, I don't want to mention them, so some people will know. So I had to go and learn it. Now, it changed my way because before I was an aggressive trader, I was an intraday trader. By the time I moved into the reality of what he mentioned, I now became what an opposite. So I was not a trader that trade every day. I fought that for 2 years. It was a personal deliverance thing because I will always want to trade every day. For the first 2 years, when I came back, 2018, 2019, I was struggling with moving into the institutional approach because I had a wrong foundation. The Holy Book says, if the foundation be destroyed, what would the righteous do? You go back to the foundation and you fix it. So I had to fix it. So I recommend that. So that's established. So basic knowledge, experiential knowledge. So investment in knowledge. Now the second one, which is what I need to when it comes to investment battle that people have challenge with, is funding the startup capital. So now that you have been able to understand the where to start from, the second one is knowledge, starting from knowledge. The second one is funding capital. See, this is what a lot of people have issues with. I've seen people, because there are ways to get capital, but the only way, everybody type in only way, that I recommend, if you are just graduating from experiential knowledge, the only way is save capital, your own money, your own save capital. That's what you should start trading with. Please, I beg you, don't start trading forex by borrowing money. Don't start forex by getting people's capital. The only way you can let your journey be simple as you are starting is save your own capital and trade. See, there is a battle between when you trade your own money and when you trade other people's money. When you trade other people's money, there is a psychology, there is an experience that is needed compared to when you are trading your own money. I've seen people that trade well with their own money. The day they borrow money is the day they will lose the whole account, or period. They will lose the whole account. Why? Because they have learned how to trade their money. They've not learned how to trade other people's money. Oh, come on, type in here. Type in here, guys, so I can share more. Type in here. You just got the understanding of forex. You've not established what you have learned. Then you now went to borrow somebody's money and said that because I've just graduated from learning, then you now borrow people's money. And when you borrow people's money, fantastic. You now said you lost the money. How won't you lose? I don't understand. You will lose. You will lose because you started funding your account in a wrong way. So if you fund with your own capital and you grow the money, let's say from $100 to $300, Mr. Mayowa, what else can I do? Be good. You can raise fund again. Well, you can raise more capital through prop firm. Prop firm. Prop firm. What's the meaning of prop firm? Prop firm is companies that have created, they've put together people's capital. Then they will give it to you for you to trade. Then you share commission. Don't go and borrow money, either from friend, either from your sister, from your relative, or from your anybody. Don't borrow. Also, the reason I did not borrow throughout my years is because the borrower is a servant to the lender. That is why I did not borrow. So anything I have, I own it. I don't borrow. My wife knows it. My protegis knows it. My staff know it. If I cannot afford it 3 times, I don't buy it. Sometimes I even say sometimes there's some things I would have bought. I'll say if I can't afford it 10 times, I won't afford it. And I learned it the hard way. I know some of you, because you did not pay for this session, it's free. You will not use it. Type in I will use it. Type in I will use it. Put it in the comment box now. Type in I will use it. Because some of you now, you say, because Mr. Mayowa is sharing, I will go and type in I will use it. So once you have traded your own capital and you are now profitable, another level you can go into is called prop firm. We have the likes of FTMO. So FTMO will put $10,000 for you. They will tell you should trade it. And they will give you rules. So when you trade the money and you are profitable, you will share profit with them. Sometimes they will tell you will take 70%, they will take 30%. It is greed that will make you to go outside on radio and say people should come and invest in your own Forex company. Then you are telling them 30%, 50%. Then you now lost the whole capital of people. See, even if their mouth does not cost you, their sweat will cost you. I don't want to mention name. They started Forex trading establishments and people went to put their hard-earned money and they were promising high reward. Then the whole money left. They now said they lost money. Before, when they don't know they will lose. So if you want more capital to trade, the best way is prop firm. So you buy a prop firm account, $89, $90, $100, $500, depending on the profit you have made from your own account. Then you trade it, then you start sharing profits. Last year alone, FTMO gave out $27 million. Is it last year alone or more than 3 years? That yes, $27 million. I think it's last year alone. And you, if you learn it, don't go and borrow money. Use what you are from your own profit. Buy your own prop firm account. Now, another approach to raise capital, listen to me, another approach to raise capital is to the results you now have. Step up your knowledge to learn how to trade for people. There is a way to trade for people. You go and learn it. It's called fund management trading training. Fund management. You are trained how to trade for people. Don't go and start OA fund management trading company. Don't go and start it. The money you have made from phase level 1 and level 2, you will use that money to go and learn to trade as a professional for people. One of the things I have learned when I was learning experiential model is that you don't risk more than 0.5% of your trading of your of the fund that you are trading for people. My mentor trades for people. He has a trading firm. He's a Pakistan. He's not a Nigerian. He's a Pakistan. He shall be Pakistan. Anyone shall Pakin. So he trades for people. So he does not use. He doesn't. So me, I've learned that one. So when I launch my hedge fund company or my fund management company, I will not, because I learned it. You did not learn it. You now open Swan OA company, you are promising 30% every month. Go and learn from Portudo, one of the most amazing hedge fund portfolio manager in the world. Ray Dow. These are the people you should go and learn from. Go and buy their books, the investment. Go and buy their books and their case studies. That is if you want to go to collect people's money. Mm-hmm. And even if you don't want to, go and still learn how they grow, because that's the way to scale up. That's the only way to what? To scale up. So investment battle, investment into knowledge, and capital. Mr. Mayowa, yes. You need to come on, guys. If you guys are learning, put in some emojis right there. Put in some emojis. Type in I'm learning, I'm learning, I'm learning. Put in come on, guys. Come on. Type in I'm learning. Yes, I know I'm shaking some tables today, but I have to. I have to, because a lot of people are destroying our industry because of the order of the arrangement. They want to make money from Forex. They have the capital, so they are not putting money under learning. They are putting money they are finding ways to grow the money without learning. And I guarantee them, if you are listening to me and you are part of them, you will lose it. You will lose it. It's not a prophecy. You will lose it. You don't know anything about the industry. You are finding way to make money from it. The Holy Book says that the foolish people, they gather money in haste and they will lose it. When you gather wealth in a haste, you will lose it. But when you gather wealth with ease, with knowledge, it will stay. It's not me that say it, it's the Holy Book. Chinyere said, learning, no. Godwin said, I'm learning. Fantastic. Fantastic. Akinshola says, oh, putting some emojis there. Yeah, I'm learning. Follow said, I'm learning. I'm learning. I mean, guys, thank you. Thank you. This is why we are here. I'm learning. Yeah, putting some some elbow push there. Fantastic. So I really want to beseech us with this concept, because I want you to enjoy your journey. Can you see what Samuel just said? This teaching today just saved me from a potential mess. Hey, thank God. I'm happy. I'm happy, my brother. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm learning seriously. Let me tell you a story. What happened in 2022, 2020, sorry. A guy came, we had an event, and in that event, the guy just made about $50,000, 50,000 US dollars, as in from about $4,000, he grew the money to about $70,000. So at that event, this is one of the things you need to manage your success. You need to manage your success. At that event, we spoke about the guy's testimonials, and that is why I don't talk about my growth as cash. I talk about my growth as percentage. Go and watch all my YouTube videos. When I'm talking about money, I don't say I make $10,000, I make $25,000. I'll tell you I make 1,700%, 11,000%. I won't say that I made. So you fill in the gap. You will fill in the gap. So listen. So after the event, because people saw that it grew less than 4,000 to about 75,000, people approached him. And in less than 3 months, he started a fund management company and was able to raise close to about $1 million. 500, yes, $1 million in just 1 month. In the second month, he was able to raise capital as close as 10 million US dollars in this Nigeria, Africa. And was paying people back 25% or 35%. Very high return was. So he paid people for about 6 months or 4 months. 4 to 6 months, they paid people. When he eventually lost money, guys, he lost all. As I talk to you now, I won't mention name, because if I mention his name and you put it in Google, the Google will bring it out for you. I know people that invested and lost money in that guy. I know people that almost commit suicide. I don't know people that committed suicide, but they almost commit suicide. Why? When he was succeeding, they announced his success too early. Some of you will make $5, you grow it to $35, you put it on your status for 2 months. People will be seeing it. You are announcing your success too early. Too early. That's what a lot of you, because you are using it to attract some temptations that if you are not mature, you will fall a victim. As I talk to you now, the guy is in strong, their level of prison in Nigeria is in a strong prison in Nigeria. He's in Kirikiri. He's in Kirikiri. He made the money, but he lost all. Why? He made money as an independent trader. Immediately he switched to raise more money to trade by collecting money from people. What he has learned is how to trade and succeed. He has not learned how to manage and how to trade people's money, because there is a different training on driving yourself. There's another different if you are driving as a commercial driver. There's another training you need to go through. I'll round up with another one. I know a guy that my friend paid for his tuition and I trained him. I contributed to his training. I taught him how to trade. And during the training, I've told people, don't trade for people. That's one of our policy in that academy then. So some of his colleagues, because they saw how he was doing well from the training, because some people did not learn. He was learning. He was soaking it using experiential knowledge. So immediately he got the money. During that place, a lady who was working but didn't have time to trade and breach the rule, he gave him money, $1,000. This particular guy, he lost the money. So they came to meet the management. I, my friend, we are 3 partners. So we spoke, but in our policy, we've said it, don't trade for people, don't this for people. We are only training you to trade yourself and this and that, after everything. We shall contributed money, we gave the woman because of some emotional stuff that was already in him, that he was going to arrest the guy. Now, when we did that, the guy left. My friend raised close to about quarter of the money and gave the woman. So 8 months after, this, all of you, almost 50% of you that you are in Nigeria knows this person I'm talking to you about. By the grace of God, I trained him. Almost 8 months after, I just heard that he has started another, now is a registered company. And he's trading for people and he's giving them 30% return on investment. And when he did that, my friend told me, say, this and that. I said, he's doing well. He said, that guy is doing well now. I smiled. I said, the elders, there is an adage, when the elders are smiling, is a suspect. When the elders are not talking, there is a problem. I just laughed. I said, here, you met me here. You met me here. He was doing well so much that when he was doing one of his birthday, he gave out iPhone 11. It was 2020. He gave out iPhone 11 as a souvenir. Abi iPhone 12, Benny. The latest phone, it was the souvenir at his birthday. This is where some of these people miss it. The first 4 months starting the first 8 months starting the company, he was living in the hotel for 8 months. He was spending people's investment. People hard work, hard earn money. He was using it to sleep in the best hotel for 8 months. By the time they got him, he's in deep creek now. Deep one. He lost the money. Why? He learned to trade. Now, tonight, I'm not trying to tell you that I just want to save you. I just want to share my view. Hope I'm not too serious at you tonight. Hope I'm not scaring you. The two of them should do well. They are good traders. They are good traders. But they have what they learned was not to trade for people. So to trade for people, you need to do your own. Do your own. Go and learn on how to go and learn how to trade for people. It's another training. And I can guarantee you, and I will be proud and say, Mr. Mayowa, you helped me by allowing me to learn that part. So that, because I want in the next 2 years, I want the fund managers in Nigeria to be doing well. I want you, Isaac, Ebony, Paul, Godwill. I want you all, Samuel Oduma, Dunamis. I want the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, I want you to hear about your edge trading fund, your fund management company. I want you to be doing well because you are going to do the right thing. Okay? So, thank you so much for the training. Wow, don't announce your success too early. Yes, if you announce it too early, they will cut it. They will cut it. This is great knowledge. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I'm just trying my best. Emily says he's a poor guy. Yeah, he's a real poor guy. Yeah. You are the best I ever listened to all my life concerning Forex. I'm just trying my best, my brother. I'm just trying my best. Follow shall say highly educative. Thank you so much. So let's do a recap. There's a lot I will share. Okay. Under investment, there's a lot. But I can guarantee you that this is the two major that you need. Investment into education. And don't do basic, do experiential. Don't do basic. Basic is long journey. Do experiential. If you can't afford my own mentorship, look for other people's mentorship you can afford. I will even give discount today. Let me be a blessing to 3 people. I'll give discount today. It's been almost 2 months now. I've given discount on YouTube on my session. Okay, I'll thank you. How many of you you want experiential knowledge from me? It's not, and you'll be serious. So I don't want people that will pay me and not have time. You'll be serious. I just need 3 people. I'll give them. So I want you to be able to get the best out of your trading. Don't even start. If you can't afford it, spend your time. Use research. Use YouTube. As you grow, move into experiential. Then begin to leverage on what you learn by saving up capital. When you save up the capital, you can use it to do well for yourself. Now, once you are there, you move to the next level. Okay? From you are there, you now move into the next level by trading other people's money. And that time, don't collect people's money. Don't collect people's money. Use the money you have made. I recommend use prop firm. There's my FX fund. There is FTMO. Use other people's firm, other people's money through that part. And as you now grow and you see that you are now consistent, you can now go and register your name company, which will now be a fund management company. Then, sorry, while you are registering, no, don't register yet. Go to somebody that is already doing well as a fund manager and learn from the person. It is not the same way. Some of us, when the market candle closes, that is when we enter, and we are entering on impulse. You just click buy. You don't know your risk. You don't know when to exit. You don't know all of those things, but you are making money. It's different. When you are trading with people's money, you don't need all the growth. You just need consistent growth. So there's an approach for consistent growth. It's not the same thing with aggressive growth, the way you trade your account. Then you can now scale all of that up. I hope I've been able to help you tonight on investment battle. This battle, I think I love investment battle. Yes, last week I love community battle. But I think I love investment battle more. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of today's session. What will you say to my team? What will you say to my team? What will you say? I have my wife in the hotel today. You know, she's not always, my beautiful wife. Go and check her on status. She cannot stand up from the smooth bed. Baby, what will you say to them? Hi. And what will you say to my wife for allowing me to do this session? Yeah. Amazing. Thank you. Oji says, God bless you, sir. Thank you so much, Thank you so much, my brother. Folonshe said, I want, sir. Okay. Great. We'll give you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Amen. I have a very beautiful wife. Very clean. And the maintenance fee is high. My wife maintenance fee is high. If you go and marry somebody that maintenance fee is low, you are good though. But if you marry somebody that your maintenance fee is high, you will multiply money. Your head, you just be calculating, how can I multiply? How can I multiply money? Because maintenance fee is high. Okay, Willie says, sincerely, I thank you so much for your teachings. We love you and your team. Thank you so much. So what's your take home? What are you going to implement? God bless her. Amen. I'm saying amen for my wife. Thank you, ma. My wife, thank you. Yeah, thanking you. Thanks a lot for being helpful. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Amazing. Ben says, thanks. Thank you too. Emily says, you are a blessing to all African future traders. Hey, thank you so much. God bless your family. Hey, amen. Olatomiwa says, thank you for sharing Mr. Mayowa with us tonight. Yes, so. Don't mention. My wife said, don't mention. Yeah, Samuel Oduma, the maintenance fee is high. Godwin says, your YouTube videos are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. God bless and support her. Thank you. Hey, Okpete Ovai. How are you, ma'am? Great one, sir. Oh, fantastic. So, I'm really excited to be a blessing to you tonight. And what's your take home? What's the action plan? How do you apply this? Type in how you will apply this. Type in how you will apply this. I want to see this. Type in how you will apply this. Tell me, how will you apply this? Let's round up on that note. What's the application? Okay, thank you. So all this says, take home, don't announce your little success. Don't trade for people yet. Trade for people. Trading for people is a different thing from trading your own fund. God bless you. That's your own. So implement it. Implement it. Implement it. Let's go. Let's go. Can the monthly community make a difference pending when I can afford mentorship? Yes. Yes. But we have changed our approach to 3 month entry, not $100 again, because some people they want the changes in 100 in 1 month and it's not working. You can't learn forex in 1 month. There's no miracle. Take home, work on being value, work on being value and not having. Yes, a lot of people want to have without being. Yes, that's it. Really, that one is deep. For with who you are, you will always have. Uh-uh. Hey, Jesus. Work on being value and not on having. Hey, for what for with who you are, you will always have. Oh, check. That's the quotable quote for today. Take home. Work on being, which is your value, and not having. What you have been running after is value. Is having, sorry, having. Work on being, which is value, not on having. Okay. For with who you are, which is the value, you will always have. Oshe, Oshe, Oshe. Learn to trade for yourself. That is the first place first. That is the first place first. Dunamis. Money is used to buy speed. This is my take home, sir. Yes, money is used to buy speed. Yes. Yes. Quick question. What's your minimum account advice for a startup? How much is the 3 month plan? It's $350 for 3 months. You have access to the course, you have access to the training, you have access to weekly session, okay, for 3 months. That is not the same with mentorship, okay? But you'll be meeting with me during the live session. So what I would recommend you do is talk to this lady tonight before we change the price. $350. Talk to her tonight. The number showing on the screen. It's $350 for 3 months. You have access to the video, you have access to all of that for 3 months. You meet with me Sundays and Tuesdays every week. So, but with the private session, you are moving at your own pace with our own calendar, and you're having private session. Isaac said, working towards registering for your mentorship program, a must. Yeah, we can't wait to have you, my brother. Money is used to buy. That's my take on fantastic. Samuel Duma said, gaining experiential knowledge doesn't borrow to gaining experiential knowledge. Good. Don't borrow to trade. In fact, don't borrow for everything. I get you. That's it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Oh, you are grateful. Yeah, you're welcome. So reach out to um Bukola tonight. Reach out to the number on your screen right now, and uh, you will have for mentorship instead of $1,000. You get it for $800 tonight. That is 20% discount. It's been a long time we gave that out, but you can get it tonight. Reach out to her. Reach out to her now. 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 That will save you $200. And that is 3-month mentorship. You'll be meeting privately. You have questions. You have session with me. You have a session with other other educators in the company. Okay. Oh, but if you can't afford the mentorship, start with the 3-month program, which is $350. And I need you to get that. Instead of paying $500, you're paying $350. Go and make that payment tonight. $350. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, what's the exchange rate? Let's do tonight from my head, without official. My APA, the admin could give you. Just tell her that I told you to use 650. Okay, Mr. Mayowa, I've tried. That's about 230,000 naira. That's what you are paying for 3 months. Go and chat her up right now and pay. It's just 3 people. Once it is 3, Bukola, I know you're on the call, so stop. Just 3 people. It's just for 3 people. Okay, 20% discount. 3 people, 20% discount. You know, discount. We don't give discount. Not because we don't want you to do it, though, but because we don't do it all the time. Okay, so you get the $350 for 3 months, and you get the $800 for mentorship. So don't come for the community and say you want to be in community for 1 month. I've told my team they're not doing 1 month program. A lot of the 1 month people, they are looking for signal, and we are not a signal-based community. We are education-based community. So we catch one trade, 1 to 50. $10 goes to $5,000. $10, yeah, $10 goes to $500. That is what we do. We don't do buy today, buy tomorrow. So it's a community. That's how we trade. That is what I've learned, and that's the way I've made the money I've made. Growing $70 to over $50,000, growing $130 to about $9,000 in 6 weeks. In 2 weeks. But that 2 weeks, I waited for the trade. Don't say I waited for the trade. I waited almost a month for the 2 trades. But when I entered, it was the time. We don't trade strategy in our community. We don't trade market in our community. We trade opportunities, okay, which is missing. It's $250. It's $350. $350 instead of $500. Okay, it's $350 for 3 months. So for a lot of you that wants to get started, that's an opportunity for you for 3 months, and it's just for 3 people. Okay, it's for 3 people. You have access to the training, weekly training, trade ideas. We've been waiting for some trades since more than a month plus now. We've been waiting. But we wait. We trade logical trading. Logical. If this happen, then do this. If this does not happen, don't do this. That's what we do. And for those that wants the mentorship, you get it for $800 instead of $1,000. So reach out to the number showing on the screen. She will be glad to help you tonight. Okay. So that'll be all for tonight. I want to beg you to implement what you have learned. Please don't implement. And I look forward to your success. How many of you are getting the offer tonight? Let me see. Type in 7 if you're getting the offer tonight. If you're getting the offer tonight, let me see. Just type in 1. Though anyone you're going for, you're good. I just want to be sure Wow. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, my brother. 3 of you should just reach out to her and I'm sure you guys will be good. Okay, guys, that'll be all for tonight, and I'll see you guys next week by God's grace. Next week, we're going to be talking about the 5th battle. Okay, if you have missed battle 1, go and watch it. Battle 2, go and watch it. Battle 3, go and watch it. Battle 4 is investment. And battle 5, I'll tell you guys about it next week. It's autumn. It's autumn. It's autumn. We've spoken about strategy battle, people fighting for, they are still battling with strategy. We spoke about community battle, week 3. We spoke about psychology battle. And number 4, we are talking about investment battle. And next week, we're going to be talking about the 5th one, which will touch you. That one, I will hit you well. I will hit you well. That one, I will hit you well. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. That'll be all for today. I'm really excited to be a blessing to you. Do have amazing, amazing evening. My name remains Owolabi. I look forward to seeing you at the top and not from the top, because the floor is crowded. I need you to come up. Everybody typing come up, come up, come up. I'm going up. I want you to come up. Put that in the comment box right now. The top is crowded, guys. The top is crowded. Come up. Everybody type in, I'm coming up, I'm coming up, I'm coming up. I'm coming up, I'm coming up, I'm coming up. Come on, guys. Type that in as we round up today's session. I look forward to seeing you at the top and not from the top, because the floor is crowded. Have a pleasant evening. Peace out, guys. Mr. Mayowa, when the discount is only for tonight. Oh. If you chat her up tomorrow, she won't give you. It's only for tonight. Okay. I gave the discount impulsively, okay, because I was talking about experiential knowledge. Okay, so the discount is only tonight. Chat her up and get started. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys later.